First of all, I request our chairman, Shri Shishir Jaipuria, to felicitate the alumni achievers, starting with the batch of 2002-2004, Mr. Anugreh Agarwal. He's working as the Vice President Pre-Sales, Free Supplier Onboarding and Customer Operation, India Mart Intermesh. I request Mr. Anugreh Agarwal to please come on the stage. And students, huge round of applause should not stop, because you will also further get alumni achiever once you do well in the industries. After that, I request Mr. Manish Nath Agarwal, having an experience over 18 years in project and program management from the batch of 2004. He is presently associated with Jubilant Biosys Limited as Associate Director, Project Management, and in the past he was with WNS Global Services for almost 12 years. Mr. Akhilesh Singh from the batch of 2005-2007. Huge round of applause, students. Mr. Singh is presently associated with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC, and working as HR manager for the last 14 years now. Mr. Anand Seth, he's from the batch of 2007-2009. He's working with KPMG right now, and he has worked with diverse roles and profiles from the last 14 years. Right now he's working at KPMG. Ms. Garima Pathak from the batch of 2008-2010, HR manager at Birlasoft. Ms. Gargi is looking after talent supply chain for almost 3 years at Birlasoft now. She has already worked with NIIT, Zonov, Zorent, Allscripts. Huge round of applause, please. After that, Ms. Gargi Pandey from the batch of 2009-11. She is associated with PepsiCo Global Business Services India LLP as Senior Manager in Sales and Trade Promotion. She has worked with Nestle, Sony, Marico, VIP, and has been an achiever in her professional journey. Mr. Yogesh Pratap Singh from the batch of 2010-12. Associated with very prestigious government e-market, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, in capacity of Senior Manager Business Intelligence and Analytics. He has over a decade of experience, worked in Motherson Technology, Exalta, Rockwell, Capgemini, and Dhampur Sugar Mills. Next we have Ms. Archana Sharma from the batch of 2011-13. She is working in the HR department of Unifocus as Talent Acquisition Lead, APAC and Europe. Next we have Ms. Soumya Srivastav, working in the HR department of Venture Employer Solution as Assistant Talent Acquisition Manager. We congratulate all the alumni achievers and wish them all the best for their future endeavors. I congratulate all the alumni achievers for this milestone. I request all the achievers to come forward on the stage for a group photograph quickly, please. I request all the alumni achievers to come forward for a group photograph. Congratulations once again.